Would you like to go outside and play?
I can. I got a 0 on my math weekly quiz. Mom won't let me leave the house.
Weekly quiz. What is that?
It is a quiz we have every week. It is really hard.
Why did you get a 0?
I forgot to do it.
Were you not reminded to do it after you got the weekly quiz?
No. We were reminded every day to put it in the agenda book. And it was put on X too.
And you have these every week?
Yes.
So every week you put it in the agenda book every day, every week you see it on X too.
Yes. And it is on Carlos the Chicken the Friday before it is passed out.
Carlos the Chicken? What is that?
A website that has videos of every topic we do in math.
But you still forgot.
Yes.
You do not have a good memory. Will you do better on the next weekly quiz?
I will try to do better on the next weekly quiz. But I don't think I will. They are really hard.
How many questions are on a weekly quiz? Are there 600?
No. Usually it is only 20.
If it is this hard, you must only have one class to answer these 20 questions.
No. We get the weekly quiz on Monday and it is due on Friday.
That seems like a lot of time. It doesn't seem that hard. Are the questions really hard?
Yes. The questions are really hard.
Are they 7th grade questions?
No.
Oh, so they must be 8th grade questions?
No. The weekly quiz is mostly 6th grade questions with some 5th grade review.
Oh, are the 6th grade questions about stuff you haven't learned yet?
No. Every question is review. But they are really hard.
First you say you forgot when there are many ways to remember. Now you say they are really hard. I'm not so sure. Do you take the quiz home?
Yes.
How does the teacher know that you aren't looking in your notebook to find out how to do problems since they're always review?
The teacher wants us to look in our notebooks.
Oh, that makes it easier. How does the teacher make sure that a sibling or parent does not help you?
The teacher says it is okay to get help as long as we are learning as they are showing us.
And does the teacher want you to go on Carlos the Chicken to watch videos of the things you've already learned to give you help on the weekly quiz?
Yes.
So let me get this straight. You have 4 nights to do 20 problems?
Well, if we start by downloading it on Friday to pass it in for highlights, we have 7 nights to do 20 problems.
Highlights? What do you mean?
The teacher will mark the problems that we need to fix with a highlight if we pass it in before Thursday. If we radio it the right way, we get the problems right.
That is amazingly easy. You were not serious, were you?
Yes. I was serious.
Since it is a quiz, the teacher are not allowed to help you in other ways. Right?
Not quite. The teachers will help us.
Teachers? You mean there is more than one?
Yes. We have 4 teachers that will help on the weekly quiz after the school day. Mr. McInnes and Miss Gerard will help any student. Mrs. Dolly and Mr. Shurander will help warrior students. Miss Hogue and Mrs. Braid will help challenger students.
Call me crazy, but I can't think of why you got a 0 on this assignment.
'Cause they are really hard. But it would have been nice to get a 100.
That would help your grade. And get you out of trouble with Mom.
It also would have been nice because if you get 5 100s, you go the 100 club.
The 100 Club, what is that?
You get to put your name on the wall and decorate it. At the end of the year you get to be in a raffle for a prize.
Are there any other rewards?
Yes.
What are they?
The class with the highest percentage of 100s at the end of the month gets a prize. If a whole class scores a 90 or above, you will get a homework pass or a mint. One class did it already. And sometimes if you get a 90 or above, you get a sticker.
So let me get all the facts. You get 4 or 7 nights to do 20 problems that are all review?
Yes.
You are reminded about this every day all week. And every week. Online and in the classroom,
Yes.
you can use your notebook, a parent or guardian's help, and the videos on Carlos the chicken to help you.
Yes.
You can pass in the weekly quiz early to your teacher and have the mistakes you make highlighted for you, so you know what to fix.
Yes.
You can submit your weekly quiz again before Wednesday to make sure the highlighted problems really are fixed.
Yes.
You have 4 teachers that will stay after school with you to help you understand.
Yes.
You get a boost in your grade when you do well. You can be in the 100 club and have your name be famous. And your class can win a prize at the end of every month.
And you can get a sticker.
A whole entire class of students has managed to get a 90 or above on a weekly quiz already.
Yes.
And yet, the weekly quiz is really hard.
They have word problems. Word problems are very difficult.
I'm 8 years old, and if you ask me, this weekly quiz sounds easier than blinking. In the time that you have been telling me about the weekly quiz, you could probably be looking at your notebook, or getting help from a teacher, or just simply doing it on your own and have half the thing done.
Is half the same as 1/3. That would make it easier.
You know what? I'm glad I'm going outside without you. Good luck on your next weekly quiz.